Hello, my name is Sven and I'm the Head of Technology for the Digital Factory business area here at ModuWorks. I originally studied physics, but already while studying, I worked at the Mechanical Engineering Institute as a student software developer. Working at the machining simulation there sparked my interest in those processes, and I wanted to analyze and optimize those processes more. So I stayed at this institute to earn my doctorate and work more in this field. Later, when I started at ModuWorks, I worked on developing our first real-time collision avoidance prototype. Now, as the head of technology, I would like to focus on finding the right solutions for all our partners in the digital factory area, not just in simulation technology, but also in two-part technology.